Say what you want. This car does look aggressive. It might not be sporty or anything like that. You can't argue with the fact that it does look aggressive. About to go hang out with some fast boys, fast cars. Tonight's gonna be a good night. But headed to Buc-ee's. It was meeting at 7:30. I'm gonna be a little late. It's 8:02. See y'all when I see y'all. That man got that tracky on about to go for some POV drives. Ooh. Forged carbon on it. That thing too. YouTube thing, got a 360 thing. You know, I like the black on black. I like the black on black thing. You know, you don't see many local YouTubers, so definitely got to get my man to shout himself out. Yo, Brandon, shout yourself out, big dog.
What's up with it, man? Y'all know what it is. Brandon's POV, man. Go check me out on YouTube. If you like what you see, subscribe. We got man.
He got that big boy. And he just got it tuned. Got more parts. I'll make sure to tag him down below so y'all can subscribe to his channel. Probably gonna get a ride in this thing soon, but thing looking good, sound good. It's all there. It's all there. Ooh. Check it out. I'm Isaiah. Nice to meet you. What's up, big dog?
What's up, what?
My boy Georgia car suspect. Done pulled up in the Beamer. The Beamer thing. I'm about to ride, man. Yeah. That shit was too fun. The way that give me a fan car.
I'm kind of wondering if we should even go that way, but that way be hot. We probably just made it hot.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I was gonna trade my shit in for a scat about 2 weeks. Might have to go track on there.
Mexico.
We in Mexico, yeah, in Mexico.
Mexico, baby.
Sound like two cats fighting.
See if we can do that lunch.
Yeah. Cause I know, you know, that road over there be so hot. But the brakes don't hold the power.
Oh, it starts breathing?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Man, that TRACKHAWK, that shit feel crazy. Like the cool thing, it's a Jeep, bro. Soft clothes, man, that is crazy. Ooh, the Trackiana. That man right there is a character, boy.
You said on what?
You is a character, boy. You screaming. Hey man, that bit moving. Nah, Georgia. Car suspect. You gotta shout yourself out.
Hey man, shout your boy Georgia car suspect. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Tripping.
Ooh.
Hey man, for real though, shout out to my son, man. Shout out to Ice Street Car too, man.
Oh yeah.
We been locked in, man.
We gotta get going. We gotta get this thing going,
No man. YouTube, growing up, you know what I'm saying? I haven't been slicking. I've been slacking lately, but progress, I will make progress, man. You know what I'm saying?
Practice
Oh, know what
perfect.
I just say progress made progress.
I know what you're trying to say.
Yeah, man, I'm talking so fat on, you know what I'm saying? But Fredo, man, shout yourself out, man.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get the cameraman behind you.
We trying to make it big, man.
New YouTuber,
Couple
up and
YouTubers.
coming, you know what I'm saying? We striving, grinding.
About Brandon.
We out here.
Brandon.
Hey man, y'all gotta really stay tuned with bro. Bro, we really tapping in with the cost stuff, man.
I'm trying to get like him, hell.
Man.
I'm trying to get like this man.
Hey, man. He trusts me with his life. Y'all seen the video.
Oh yeah, I watch it on
We went to
YouTube.
Mexico, and it's a whole lot of edits we do to make it look like we're going fast. We really don't be going fast.
We're going to speed limit. Well, that was my first ride in the Trackhawk. I wish it was daytime, but you know, sometimes you can't be patient and get a ride in daytime. He offered the night, I took it. So why not? But man, that Trackhawk something different, man. Like it just blows me that it's a Jeep, like it's a SUV. It's crazy. But make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Brandon's POV. Subscribe to Georgia Car Suspect. I'll try to tag him. You know, the editing crazy. I'm sure I will. But you know, man, trying to link with some more YouTubers around the way. We gotta help each other, man. We gotta get big. We're gonna get there slowly but surely. Well, it's gonna go the other way, but I'm gonna go this way so I can take that right. See them boys later, man. Cool. That was pretty cool, man. You know, I wasn't gonna come because it was so late, but that's it, man. Trying to gotta get there. Ooh wee. Hopefully this bitch truck don't turn right here. All right, cool. Well, my name Isaiah Tooks. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the videos. Help your boy get what he trying to get to. You know the vibes, but I'll catch y'all boys later. Peace.